Building a golf simulator has never been this easy, thanks to Carl's Build Your Own tool. Start by setting your room dimensions to ensure every product fits perfectly. Choose your screen system. Select a standard aspect ratio or enter a custom size for a tailored fit. Toggle the Show Dimensions button to verify your measurements instantly. Now select your launch monitor. You'll see real-time positioning options and mounting modes customized to your space. Stuck on a projector? Click More Info for deep dive specs without leaving the page. Find the perfect mount point with total confidence. No more calculating throw ratios manually. When you're finished, add to your cart, share with friends, or send it to the Carl's Place team for a professional review. You're the designer, we're your expert guide. Build your ultimate simulator today.